In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Keep for task management with your team. This is a simple yet effective tool for organizing tasks and collaborating seamlessly. To get started, make sure you have a Google account. With that, you can easily access Google Keep and manage your tasks efficiently. First, let's head over to Google Apps. To do this, open your web browser and navigate to any Google service like Google Search or Gmail. In the top right-hand corner, you'll notice a small grid of dots, which represents Google Apps. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu of Google services. Now, you'll want to locate Google Keep. You might see it straight away, but if not, scroll through the list until you find it. Once you spot Google Keep, simply click on it to open. After opening Google Keep, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is where you can create and manage all your notes and lists. To start creating a new task list, look for the Take a Note area. It's usually a text box marked with the phrase Take a Note. Click on it and you'll have the option to input whatever you need. Let's create your task list. Start inputting the tasks you need to manage for your team. Make sure each task is clear and concise so everyone knows what's expected. Once you have your task listed down, you'll want to add checkboxes for easy tracking. Look for the More option, often represented by 3 vertical dots or a similar icon. Click on More and select Show Checkboxes. This will turn your list into a series of actionable items that you can tick off once completed. With your task list ready and organized, it's time to invite your team. Collaboration is key and Google Keep makes it simple. Find the collaborator icon, typically next to the task list or within the note options. Clicking on that will prompt a window where you can enter the email addresses of your team members. Once entered and confirmed, your team will have access to the task list. Be sure everyone gets the invite. After sharing, remember to click Save to ensure all changes are applied. Finally, to keep this note readily accessible, you can pin it to make sure it stays at the top of your Google Keep dashboard. You'll notice a small pin icon, click on it, and there you have it. Now your task list is all set up, visible, and ready for your team to tackle.